Right, there is a fruit fly and it is driving me bonkers. Why is this going to happen the minute I've got to film? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Louise and I do videos on all things makeup and beauty related. Today I'm going to be delving into the amazing Cosmic Beauty's Cooltrals palette. This is their gorgeous 20 pan eyeshadow palette and it just looks like this. How stunning is this? I have been waiting to get my hands on this for ages. It has been out for quite some time, but there is a new one now which is called Smolder, I believe, and it's kind of similar to this, so I didn't pick it up. This palette still is absolutely fantastic anyway, but I just wanted to come on here and give you guys my opinion on it. I have created a little eyeshadow look on it as well, which I will link up here for you guys. It is this look that I'm wearing at the moment as well. And I'm just going to apologise if I'm constantly moving about or whatever, or looking about. It is a fruit fly and it's driving me absolutely bonkers. So this is Cosmic Beauty's Cooltrals Eyeshadow palette. It has got 20 pans to it. It has been out a little while now. I think it was out maybe late 2024, not too sure. So it's not their newest palette, but it's new to me because it's like the first time I've actually sat down and properly used it. It is absolutely spectacular. I've done like separate swatches and stuff, so I will insert them. It's exactly what it says. It's cool tones with a mix of kind of neutral shades as well. We've got a lot of blue in here, a lot of kind of silver. Everything's very muted and not very warm. And then we've got a lot of kind of neutrally shades here as well. But you could do any kind of look with this, honestly. This is going to be absolutely fab for fall and I am absolutely here for it. It's got a stunning balance of mattes and shimmers as well, which is what I really like about it. The shimmers are outstanding on these eyeshadow palettes. I own quite a few of them and I will be doing reviews on them all because they just, honestly, they've blew me out the water recently. I absolutely love these. Like, I'm doing this thing where I need all the eyeshadow palettes. Apparently it's vegan, cruelty free, talc free, and the packaging is also recyclable too because it's that kind of cardboard. You do get a little mirror on it as well up the top here. It's so nice. It's not big, it's not bulky, it's not like in your face, but it's also like just the perfect amount of eyeshadow, if you get what I mean. It's got a lovely mix of kind of satin, shimmery, metallic colours, but we also have some jewel chromes in here as well, and they're absolutely stunning. Honestly, they're outstanding, beautiful. One thing I do want to say about the shades is some of the darker mattes are going to stain when you have them on your eyelids, like this dark blue, if I can I show you it? This dark blue is definitely going to stain, like it stains my fingers when I was just doing swatches. The darker kind of black colour, the darker shimmery shades, they probably will stain, so they'll need like a good bit of scrubbing to try and get off. But it's not a big issue. I wear makeup all the time. Like, it's not a major issue to me at all. I just thought it's maybe worth noting that some of them do stain a little bit. Mainly the mattes, the darker shades. So here is the swatches and you can really see that the pigment pays off on these. The metallics are really buttery and the mattes are super smooth. And the shifty jewel chrome shades as well, they are just absolutely beautiful. This is a stunning eyeshadow palette and I highly recommend you pick it up if you're into these kind of colour tones because it's absolutely beautiful. So I basically wanted to test out a few of these colours on myself, and today I have created this look. I will leave the video up here for you guys. Just wanted to experiment and play about with the kind of blue tones. They are really nice, super pigmented, super easy to use, really easy to blend. I've absolutely fell in love with this brand. I'm not even going to lie to you guys, I absolutely love them. The shimmers in the centre are super sparkly. They're just really easy to blend and stuff as well, and do you know something, they don't get patchy either. I know with some other brands, like some of the dark mattes can get really patchy and really bad to blend. This I did not have an issue with at all. Neutral shades as well, like you could create some really nice rustic fall looks with like these shades up here as well. I'm just going to swatch this little one for you. Just look at that pigment. It's absolutely stunning, and there's that jewel chrome which just feels like absolute butter. Like, it's incredible, honestly. Like, I cannot rave about this brand enough because they are just phenomenal. Got my old trousers on, so I'm like just swiping everything everywhere. Yeah, my final thoughts on this palette is absolutely everything. I absolutely love it. Like, even my daughters come in and they wanted swatches all up their arms because they seen the shimmers in this. They were just absolutely mesmerised. If you are feeling like you like a lot of cool shades and kind of neutral shades, but not like really vibrant shades, then this is a palette for you. I will leave the website below. You can also get them on TikTok Shop. Sometimes TikTok Shop have a lot of deals and stuff. Sometimes they put little sales on. But you can also get them on the website below, which I will leave in the description for you. I think currently these are going for £28, which is an absolute steal, if I'm going to be honest, with the quality of this, because it's absolutely spectacular. So yeah, that is my thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.